Bayam, fidèle sous moi, bayam, bayam. All give it to danser, chérie. I'm gonna show y'all some compa.
Oh, look at man. Okay. You say I'm kind of down.
Okay. Oh, I'm down.
Moi l'argent.
La montrer l'argent. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the ethnicity tag. Don't look at me. First question is, where are you from? I'm from Haiti, as you guys know.
No, I'm not this one. Start again. I want to see you in the camera.
Okay.
Don't appear fake.
Ethnic names. I don't have ethnic names because my name is pretty much French, Spanish, universal. Lindsay Deborah. When was the last time you visited your country? 2013? No, I'm lying. When was it?
This year.
2016. August. August 2016. Okay, last time I visited was in 2013.
Cut. No, I'm not parler au commencement.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. Start from
what part of the country is your family from? My dad is from Jarabel, and my mom is from my mom is from. Mes amis m'oublier what my mom from.
You didn't do your research?
Kinscoff. No.
Are you sure? Bonga, you mean?
Bonga. No.
Fermat?
Rendezvous.
No, your mom is not from Rendezvous.
Yes, she is.
Your mom from Bonga.
No, she's
not.
Bonga. Bonga. That's part of the Kinscoff commune. Commune? Okay. Ethnic food I enjoy the most. The food I enjoy all. Di légumes, fritai. My new favorite thing is codena sauce, and I just figured that out. Cause I don't like Thanksgiving turkey like that. It's dry. Anyway, but give me some codena sauce. You'll be my favorite person. What household best represent your culture? Oh, san bagay la, mote ba we.
Oh, that's something that's
nice. This has Haiti. We have artisan work. We have a flag. What don't we have? Downstairs there's more.
And we have the picture of the palace.
Yeah. IT. I should put the shirt on, but too lazy. L'argent ici. Monies. I'm rich, bitch. Got $1,000. $250. That's not even. It looks like a lot, but it's not. Like, this is about $20, 20 American dollars. They straight robbed me when I went because I didn't know my Haitian money. But I'm ready for y'all next time. Right. Yep. The Haitian flag. This is all good. And I got coins. Yeah. I also have this box. You can put jewelry in it. They sell it in Haiti. Do I speak my language? Of course I do. Moi parle Creole, moi parle Français. And as many of you know, I also speak Spanish. So I speak 4 languages total. Bon fait, moi, na pense Haïtien, natif natal. Oh, ti fi sa, li ti Haïtien, pas j'en parle Creole sous chaîne li, c'est pas
Are you talking
yon.
about yourself in a third person? That's messed up.
C'est pas yon li parle, c'est français. I already have a French video on my channel already. You can check it out. It's my birthday vlog. And also I have videos in Spanish, but this is my first video on speaking a little Creole. But you can always hear Creole in the background because that's all I speak all day, every day. And finally, the last question is, do you listen to Haitian music? Of course. I love me some compa. I love me some zouk. I listen to Karimi, Harmonique, New Look, Ali La Rivière especially. I love me some Ali La Rivière. He is bae. Okay, this is it for the ethnicity tag. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye.
It doesn't sound